let's talk about fast charging and ethics, because there are an unwritten code of conduct when you are fast charging, and these rules are universal. And when you are on a long trip, you want to, well, be mindful of obeying these unwritten rules. And why do we want that? Well, because you want a good connection with those around you. It is no fun being at a charging stop for 20 minutes where everyone is angry at you. So, fast charging ethics, and that's the topic of today. First up, if there's a free fast charger with no one plugged into it, take that one. Don't take another person's charger unless everyone else is filled. If there is no free charger, totally free charger, then it's okay to take the charger next to another. And why is this so important? Well, because the charger I'm at now is a 300-watt charger. I don't mind anyone being next to me. I cannot take over 150 watts. Anyways, I can go up to 100 watts, so that's no problem for me. But for cars that can utilize most of the charger, they will charge a lot faster when no one else is using it, because the 300 watts is shared throughout all the connections on the charger. On these ones are two. This also means that some of the chargers, I would like to have them for myself because they are only 175 watts. And if another person is plugged in, I can surely feel it on my car. But if there's no free, then take the one where there's another one plugged in. It's a simple rule and it is easy to obey. So look for the free chargers. If that's not possible, take the one that's possible. The second one is, if there's a line, you don't skip the line. Seriously, I don't know how many times I've seen people skip the line. People get seriously mad when they do that. If there's a line, keep the line. It is mostly on small charging stations. The one I'm at now has 19 outlets. I have never seen it filled. It is really filled now, but I have it for myself. And someone is about to boink into each other, so it's always fun to sit here and look out on the traffic. I've almost charged up now, so there's another simple unwritten rule. It is, if you can't charge on your charger, well, don't take the plug from the other side. Move to the other side and then take the plug. Because there might be a reason why you can't charge at the specific charger you're at. Try to move chargers. Don't just park on a fast charger and then walk away from the car. And there's also the one, if you're fully charged, you move on. Of course, if you are in the middle of your dinner, well, you shouldn't have fast charged. Go out, move your car. There's no reason to occupy a fast charger if you are on a full battery. And why is that? Well, because other people would like to use that fast charger. On the big stations, it's no problem. On the small stations, I promise you, people get seriously mad when you just is there 1 minute after it has gone over to the light that indicates a full charge. And believe me, they know the lights. And remember to just respect the others. It is as simple as that. It's about respecting the other people. And there's another set of rules when you're doing a slow charger, and it is more complex. But fast chargers are actually fairly simple. Drive up to your bay, plug it in. If it doesn't work, move along. Just remember to report it if it doesn't work, because you don't want others to come to a charger that doesn't work. And that was it. And if you want another great video from me, then check out this video right here, specially picked for you. Check it out right now.